Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2006 to 2018? Wondering which fuse controls what in your van? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Under driver's seat fuse box. The under driver's seat fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2006 to 2018 controls high amperage circuits and systems like heater boosters, battery management, and auxiliary power functions. The prefuse box for the auxiliary battery, F59.7, in the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2006 to 2018 protects and distributes power to auxiliary systems connected to the secondary battery. The prefuse box for the auxiliary battery F59.8 in the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2006 to 2018 safeguards high current circuits and manages power distribution to additional auxiliary equipment. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2006 to 2018 protects and distributes power to interior electronics like dashboard controls, lighting, and infotainment systems. The prefuse box in the Footwell of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2006 to 2018 distributes and protects high current power supply to major electrical components in secondary fuse boxes.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.